Hi guys, I'm back. I got my VFL Hybrid 1900s in. So, let's pull out the trusty dusty razor knife and let's do a boxing opening. Unboxing, whatever we calling this nowadays. I got 4 of these. I already had one in the boom room. So I ordered 3 more for the 16/8. So now that should be enough amplifiers. It's probably way too much power for those things. Alright. Dos, tres. Good deal. Good deal. There's my BMW prismatics from battery hookup. We got 2 12 volts and a 16 volt. So we got the juice. Let's see where they're resting. I charged them up. Let's see what we got here. DC. Alright, let's make this happen, Captain. God, this is going to be hard to do with one hand. Come on. Ah. 13.38. Good deal. Good deal. Good deal. Well, that's skill right there. Okay. Alright. They're holding good voltage. Let's open these bad boys up. I think I already showed you these guys once. The base knob looks different. Or is that a link cable? Oh, that's the knob. I think my last knob was metal. Okay. It is steel. Alright, cool. A little beefy. Got the clipping indicator on them. Good deal. Alright. We got a couple of Tar Amps 5Ks coming in too. But alright. Can't wait to hear what they sound like. We'll get back at you, man. Some bass content's coming. Hang in there, guys. Hang in there. Don't give up on me.